NASDAQ this week has rise in value, and we can see that the price has touched the support level at 18,313, and the price continued to rise in value, reaching 18,843 and making a bullish breakout on Wednesday with a strong bullish candle here. Then on the Tuesday and Friday, the price formed these small incision candles, where the Friday has larger wicks compared to the Thursday, but the price could not make a clean direction going to the support or going to the upper side to the higher price levels. A weekly time frame shows us this was a bullish week, where the prices formed a bullish breakout above 18,843 as a resistance level, so this is also a great indication for the bulls as a bullish trend. A monthly time frame after the previous month has formed this bullish breakout above 18,313. The price continues to rise in value. The month has just started, so there is 3 more weeks until this month closes, so everything's still open. We need to wait how the price will close this month, and for that it is the best to see the weekly and the daily time frame. But for now, the support 18,313 is very important and critical level. If the price returns back down, we can expect that the price will reach this area, which means 18,000 is a round number, and below that is around 17,336. The weekly time frame shows us that very important level currently is 18,843 on the weekly time frame, because the previous 2 weeks the price could not make a clean breakout, closing the week above, but we have 2 weeks that has been formed. Then the price has tried to find its way, and this week the price finally found it, and the price has touched also the support on this uptrend channel, which has created this confluence of support that has held the price from falling even more down. Now, on the daily time frame, we can see how this looks. 18,843 is also a very important level for the price, but we can see here that we have another price level, which is also a very important level for the price, that is 18,551, which I'll also mark here on the chart. Just a minute. So we can see what is also a very important level for the price that needs to hold in order to prevent the price from falling down. Just a minute, let's put this one here as supply demand zone around this area. Okay, this will be it. Now we can see if the price goes below 18,843, the next support level will be 18,551, which will be also a confluence of support with this uptrend channel support line, which is a very important information. Now there is a possibility that the price returns all the way back down to 18,843 next week, touching the previous resistance, now acting as a support before the price continues to rise in value. As the next level, I have set 20,000 as a round number, but there is also a possibility that the price stops in between, for example, 19,500, which will be a round number. So will the price stop here? We will see how the price behaves. It's not very easy to predict where the next stop will be, what could be the next target, but this is something that I'll put here just to follow where the price could reach. If the price reaches, we can see this week the price has formed this all-time high price level, which is great for the bulls. They are pushing the price even higher and higher. So this is all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.